Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and this is the MSI GE73 VR Raider. Now, MSI has launched this gaming laptop in India at a price of 1,79,990 rupees only. The laptop is an attempt to enter the enthusiast price bracket, and yes, by what we have seen and experienced in the small time with the machine, it seems quite inviting. You have an aluminum and plastic shell on the machine which has RGB lighting not just on the keyboard but on the lid as well. Not just that, the Type A USB 3 port on the laptop also features red backlighting, giving the machine a unique look. The GE73 Raider is powered by the Intel Core i7-8750H processor. Combined with an NVIDIA GTX 1070 GPU and 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, you end up with a very capable machine for gaming. We ran Shadow of Mordor at max settings and the machine performed beautifully, consistently pushing more than 60 frames per second. There is plenty of fast storage as well, as MSI will offer 512 GB NVMe SSDs in RAID 4 in addition to the 1TB hard drive. The 17.3-inch panel has a refresh rate of 120 Hz and a response time of 3 ms. Considering the category average is more than 5 ms, this is quite good. Besides the new set of hardware, the MSI GE738RF Raider also offers a SteelSeries keyboard with customizable RGB backlighting, plenty of ports, and Sabre Hi-Fi audio solution. The keys offer a 1.9 mm key travel, which in the short time we used them seemed quite good, although we would reserve a final verdict till we do a complete review. All in all, the GE738RF Raider seems like a good gaming laptop for a gaming enthusiast, especially for the price. Considering the amount of hardware it offers currently, it is really hard to make a gaming PC at the same price, offering the same specifications and looking this cool. You can let us know what you thought of this video in the comment section below, and for more videos like this one, you can subscribe to our channel.